Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you the best wood planer electric handheld smooth finish, the WOODSTARTER corded electric hand planer. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a beginner woodworker, this tool is engineered to give you power, precision, and a smooth professional-grade finish every time. This hand planer is powered by a robust 7.7 amp motor, delivering a rapid 15,000 RPM. That's serious cutting performance right in your hands, offering longer lifespan and reduced maintenance compared to standard models. It's designed to handle everything from simple wood chamfer projects to detailed carpentry work. You get a generous 3-1/4 inch planing width, letting you cover more surface area faster. It also includes 3 chamfering grooves for detailed edge work and a 1-inch rabbiting capacity to step up your joinery game. Precision is where this tool really shines. You can choose from 20 adjustable depth settings, maxing out at a 5/32 inch cutting depth. This gives you complete control over the thickness of the cut. Whether you're edge trimming or making fine adjustments, this planer adapts to your needs, making it ideal for both rough passes and finishing touches. No more battling with sawdust flying everywhere. The WOODSTARTER comes with a built-in dust bag that effectively collects shavings and debris as you work. It helps keep your workspace clean and your visibility clear so you can focus on crafting instead of cleaning up. Comfort matters, especially for longer sessions. The ergonomic handle is paired with a shock-absorbing system that reduces fatigue and vibration. Whether you're working for 5 minutes or 50, the grip stays comfortable, making it suitable for all skill levels, from hobbyists to pros. When you unbox the WOODSTARTER, you're ready to go. The package includes the hand planer itself, a screw and tool kit, a depth guide, a parallel guide, 2 wrenches, and of course, the dust bag. It's everything you need to start your woodworking project right out of the box. From leveling doors and trimming boards to chamfering sharp edges and achieving that polished finish, this planer delivers smooth, even cuts across the board. With its blend of power and precision, it's the perfect tool for home workshops, furniture restoration, or creative builds. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance wood planer that offers a clean finish and is easy to handle, the WOODSTARTER corded electric hand planer is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next review here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.